Hey everyone, I'm Denise and today I'm going to be making pancakes. This is a recipe I got from allrecipes.com and I'll leave a link in the description. Flour, 1½ cups. Baking powder, 3½ teaspoons. Sugar, 1 tablespoon. Milk, 1 1/4 cups. Egg, 1. Butter, 3 tablespoons melted. Mixing bowl. Mixer. Ladle. Spatula. Griddle or a frying pan. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Make sure the batter is smooth. If you prefer, turn the mixer on. Heat the griddle to about 300 degrees. If the griddle is taking too long to heat, it may be necessary to threaten it. Ladle the batter on the griddle. Watch for bubbles to appear around the edges. They'll pop and refill. When the bubbles stop filling in after they pop, the pancake is ready to flip. You want the finished pancake to be golden brown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more, you can follow me by hitting the subscribe button. As always, I'll see you in the next video.